In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a neutral color palette for a design system, Figma tutorial. We'll keep things simple and practical so you can follow along in real time and walk away with a clean, reusable, neutral palette that strengthens your design system. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head into your workspace. Once you're in, open the page or file where you're building your design system. If you already have a starter layout, even better. If not, just make sure you have a few elements on the canvas, like text layers and simple shapes. Having something visible will help you preview your neutrals as you go. Now, get your design ready to test colors. I like to use a short line of text and a couple of rectangles so I can see how neutrals behave on type, strokes, and surfaces. This gives you quick feedback on contrast and balance without overcomplicating the setup. With your elements selected, look to the right-hand panel in Figma. Find the stroke section. Click the color swatch there to open the color picker, then look for the option to create a style. You'll see a plus icon that lets you make a new color style from the color you've chosen. Click that plus icon to create your new style. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later in your system. This one action turns a single color into a reusable building block you can apply anywhere in your file. As you experiment with your neutral color palette, aim for a set of grays that feel balanced and versatile. Neutrals don't have to be perfectly gray. A subtle warm or cool bias can make your interface feel more human, but keep it soft so it doesn't compete with your brand colors. Test how your stroke neutral looks on light and dark backgrounds, and check that text using these neutrals stays legible. If something looks muddy or too sharp, nudge the brightness or saturation slightly and update the style so everything that uses it stays consistent. Remember, the goal of a neutral palette in a design system is flexibility and consistency. Keeping your styles organized and thoughtfully named will make your work faster and more reliable. Once you're happy with your first neutral, feel free to keep exploring variations, always previewing them on real elements to see how they perform. That's it. You've opened Figma, prepared your page, and created a reusable neutral color style from the stroke panel, ready to experiment and refine for your design system.